And I'm Laura Maloney. Welcome back to What Matters This Week. Joining me now is Liz McCarthy. She is the Health Systems Director for the New England region of the Alzheimer's Association. And Liz, we wanted to have you on because of this big news on Monday when it came to this drug getting FDA authorization here, aducanumab, Aduhelm. Tell me what your reaction to this was, because this is the first drug in what, 20 years?
Absolutely.
That you've seen okay.
Yeah, absolutely. And not only is it the first drug in 20 years, this is the first disease-modifying treatment ever. And it's the only disease-modifying treatment in the world. The other drugs that have been available for some time now, people might know the name Aricept or Namenda, Namzaric, or common brand names. Those just treat the symptoms. So Aduhelm or aducanumab, which is the generic term, is the first disease-modifying treatment. So I'm just very excited, so excited for all of the research participants who worked so long and so hard and hoped that this would happen, and it did.
Liz, at what point in someone's diagnosis would this drug, does the research show this drug would benefit the most?
Sure, that's an interesting question. The FDA approved it for Alzheimer's disease without any indication of what stage of the disease they're in. But the trials, the clinical trials that showed the most promise in the earlier stages of the disease. So that again really shows the need for early detection and diagnosis.
We understand there are some locals already involved in clinical trials, but what are you hearing from patients and caregivers about them willing to take this drug?
Oh, sure. I think that when you're a person with the disease, or especially in the earlier stages, there's this real willingness on the part of so many of the people I've worked with over the years to really try anything, because there hasn't been a treatment for this, and to say that there's nothing you can do about it is really quite frustrating. And that's why so many people join clinical trials and work as advocates to get more money for research and funding, participate in our fundraisers, and now there's actually finally a treatment that they'll be able to have access to.
And this is not a pill, it's an infusion given once every 4 weeks.
Correct. Similar to some drugs that they use for cancer, multiple sclerosis. So this isn't a new way of administering, but it is different than a pill for sure.
There are some controversies, and I just want to just mention that if we can. And I read an article where a neurologist cautioned patients basically saying, don't look at this as the Holy Grail. A year ago, I think there were some setbacks with an FDA advisory panel. So how do you talk about all of these different issues with patients when it comes to their possible hesitancies about new medications?
Sure. Well, absolutely. Whatever neurologist gave that quote, this is not the Holy Grail. This is step one, we're off the starting line. And the really great news about aducanumab, the approval, is that it's now going to open up the research for all the other drugs that are in phase 3 to really be able to move forward in their research process, saying we've got this one approved, now it's going to bring more. There's always controversy when there's a new treatment, and especially in a disease as long and progressive as Alzheimer's disease that really takes away your neurologic function. So there's a lot of stigma around the disease itself that we need to combat, but remain hopeful. Again, it is absolutely not a cure, but it's the first treatment, and we've been waiting for this for so long, and we're so happy for all the people who are going to be able to access it, including some of the 13,000 in the state of Vermont who have the disease.
Okay, excellent. Thanks for your input, Liz. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, thank you.